everybody who is coming into the world. The most amazing thing, the prophets of old had prophesied about this Messiah. And yeah, he arrives. And when he arrives, God does something even unique. He ordains a man pointing out. And John the Baptist sees it. John the Baptist says, there he is, the Lamb who takes away the sins of the whole world. John the Baptist didn't know it, but the Spirit tells him who Jesus is. The most amazing thing. And then you'll see when John the Baptist baptizes him, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, you see the heavens open, and Father declares, this is my Son, believe in him. And the Spirit is on him like a dove. It doesn't say it's a dove. Not Pentecostal exaggeration, like a dove. So there you see this triune figure of Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.